Hello friends, welcome to the world of entertainment. Today I'll be presenting before you the Boya's microphone, which the YouTubers use. This is the Boya's BY-M1, the model number for the same. For all the YouTubers in the beginning, they use this mic. This mic is extraordinary as well as it is the best among its pricing as well as its use. This mic can be used in your cameras, phones, laptops, everywhere, wherever you have an aux cable. This is portable as well. This is a small mic. And it also has a 5-meter long cable, so that you have a good reach for the same, and you can record your videos without any disturbance and all. Now, without a further ado, let's unbox this mic and let me show you what are the contents and everything. So while we unbox, we don't need anything, a scissor or a knife. We can just pull it out from here, and then yeah, let's open. So now what do we have is this is a leather pouch which we get. These are some paperworks, and yeah, this is the warranty card as well as some paper, some books, instruction manual and all, and this is the final product. Now moving ahead, this is a good leather quality, like you can just keep it in this and you can take it wherever you wish to. Now moving ahead, yeah, so this is the main mic. This is the 5-meter long cable of which I was talking about, and you can just simply insert. This is a 3.5 jack, audio jack, which will be inserted in the audio jack of your phone, camera, laptop, etc. And this will be attached to your t-shirt or your collar if it's a shirt, and yeah, it's good to go and you can continue. So finally, what all do we see in this Boya's BY-M1 is a leather pouch which has this microphone with this batteries and everything, some paperwork, instruction manual, and the warranty card. That's it for this video. For further this is just waste. Yeah, so this is what we get in the Boya's BY-M1. Do like my video and share it with your friends. Do subscribe my channel, The World of Entertainment. Thanks for watching.